Hello friends, my name is Vishal Datta, the founder and owner of Summit Safari India, a travel company based in Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. As I am standing by a railway track, so today my travel vlog is going to be very special, which will provide you a complete travel information on the famous Kalka Shimla railway line, also known as the toy train. The Kalka Shimla Railways is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and forms the part of the famous mountain railways of India. Before we continue with this informative travel vlog, we request you to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative travel videos. If you are planning a toy train journey, feel free to contact us for bookings and complete tour assistance well in advance. This is India's most iconic and scenic train journeys, and in this video we bring you a complete guide to the toy train covering its history, best time for ticket booking, its fare, journey time, famous bridges and tunnels, and everything you need to know before you go on this journey. Let's begin with the history of the Kalka Shimla Railways. In 1864, Sir John Lawrence, then the Viceroy of India, officially declared Shimla as the summer capital of British India. Every year, the British administration would shift its base from Kolkata to Shimla between April and October to escape the heat of the plains. To make this long and challenging journey more accessible, the Kalka Shimla Railway was inaugurated on 9th November 1903 during the Viceroyalty of Lord Curzon. It connected Kalka, located in the plains, to Shimla in the foothills of Himalayas, marking a remarkable feat of engineering of its time. In the early decades of the Kalka Shimla Railways, trains were powered using the steam engines and typically ran with just 4 coaches. Over the time, these steam locomotives were replaced by the modern diesel engines, enabling the toy train to operate more efficiently and accommodate longer formations of 6 to 7 coaches today. Now, let's take a closer look at the route of the Kalka Shimla toy train. This narrow gauge line is approximately 95.68 kilometers long with a track width of just 2 feet 6 inches. The journey can be experienced in both directions, from Kalka to Shimla or vice versa. Kalka railway station, located in the plains of India at an altitude of 656 meters and is the end of the broad gauge line, while Shimla railway station rises to the altitude of 2076 meters in the foothills of Himalayas. Over the course of this scenic journey, the train climbs approximately 1420 meters, offering breathtaking mountain views throughout its 5.5 hours of train journey. The entire route of the Kalka Shimla Railways is a single line track. Train crossings are only possible at the railway stations equipped with loop lines where two trains can pass each other safely. Along the way, the train passes through 103 tunnels, crosses over 864 bridges and navigates 919 curves, making it a true engineering marvel. The speed of the toy train on the Kalka-Shimla railways ranges between 15 to 20 kilometers per hour, allowing passengers to fully enjoy the scenic journey. The route includes 18 charming railway stations, each offering its unique perspective of the surrounding landscapes. Railway Bridge number 541, also known as the Knop Bridge, is one of the most iconic structures of the Kalka-Shimla railway line. It is the highest multi-arch gallery bridge of the Indian Railways and a true engineering marvel done a century ago. Many travelers look forward to capturing this bridge on camera, but from inside the moving train, this bridge appears only for a brief moment, making it quite difficult to photograph properly. At Summit Safari India, we offer a special day tour that includes a short hike to the famous Knop Bridge, giving you the perfect opportunity to experience and photograph this bridge up close. For more details, feel free to contact us or check the link in the description to watch a detailed video about this remarkable Knop Bridge number 541. In 2008, the Kalka-Shimla railway line was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site under the Mountain Railways of India, and it remains one of the longest narrow gauge railway routes still operating in India. Now let's come to the point, everything you need to know before planning your train journey. How many trains run on this route, the different coach classes you can choose from, ticket fares, and the best time to travel and to book your train tickets. There are around 6 trains operating daily from Kalka to Shimla, with a similar number of trains running from Shimla to Kalka. In terms of fares, reserved seat prices are approximately 300 Indian rupees for a chair car, around 500 Indian rupees for first class, and in between 650 to 750 rupees for executive and Shivalik Deluxe Express train, which features only the first class coaches. Please note that booking through agents may involve additional service charges. The toy train operates throughout the year. However, the best time to travel on the Kalka-Shimla railways is from September to June. During the monsoon season of July and August, the route may occasionally face disruptions due to landslides, and the scenic views are often blocked due to fog and mist. An important tip to remember is that the Kalka-Shimla railway ticket booking opens only 30 days in advance. As seats are limited and demand is high, especially during peak tourist season, it is highly recommended to plan ahead and book your tickets well in advance as soon as reservations open at 8 am on the first day to maximize your chances of getting confirmed seats. The toy train makes multiple stops along the way, but Kandaghat, Badog and Dharampur are among the most popular railway stations where you can step out and enjoy tea, coffee and light snacks during the great rail journey. Badog railway station is considered one of the most beautiful stops on the Kalka-Shimla railway. known for its charming heritage-style building and scenic surroundings. It is also one of the key stations where passengers can access basic facilities including washrooms, while each coach on the train is equipped with a small on-board washroom. Badog is also famous for having the longest tunnel on this route, measuring over 1 kilometer in length. The tunnel is named after Colonel Badog, a British railway engineer. According to the legend, he took his own life in these hills and committed suicide after a miscalculation during the tunnel's construction prevented the two ends from meeting correctly. At present, the rail motor car does not operate regularly. You may be lucky if you spot a railway push trolley which is used for the track inspection purpose. There is still so much to explore, but for now we come to the end of this beautiful journey. We hope this guide helps you plan your toy train experience with confidence. If you are planning a trip to Shimla or anywhere in India, feel free to contact us at Summit Safari and we'd love to help you create a memorable journey. Please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for informative travel videos.